Ever wondered what stands behind the smooth operation of those big data applications you use every day? The answer might be Apache HBase. But what is it exactly, and how does it work? Let's dive into the world of this fascinating technology. Apache HBase is a distributed, scalable big data store which has been modeled after Google's Bigtable. It's a part of the Apache Software Foundation's Hadoop project and built on top of Hadoop File System, or HDFS. It's designed to scale horizontally across large clusters of commodity hardware, providing a fault-tolerant way of storing large quantities of sparse data. In simple terms, think of HBase as a database, but not just any database. It's a database specifically designed to handle vast amounts of data across many servers, while ensuring that read and write access remains fast and efficient. Now, how does HBase achieve this? Well, there are some key features that make HBase stand out. 1. It's column-oriented. This means that it stores data by columns instead of rows, which is a typical approach in traditional relational databases. This columnar storage approach is particularly beneficial when it comes to reading and writing large data sets. 2. It's distributed. HBase automatically partitions data across all available servers in the cluster. It can easily add more servers to the cluster as the data grows, ensuring that your data is always accessible and never a bottleneck. 3. It's consistent. HBase supports strong consistency for reads and writes. This means, once data is written, it's immediately available for read, ensuring data accuracy. 4. It's versioned. HBase keeps versions of data. This feature is useful for keeping the history of data changes over time. And lastly, it's integrated with Hadoop. HBase works seamlessly with other Hadoop technologies like MapReduce for processing large datasets. So, to sum up, Apache HBase is a column-oriented, distributed, and versioned big data store designed for horizontal scalability and strong data consistency. It's an integral part of the Hadoop ecosystem, and it's the secret sauce behind the smooth operation of many big data applications. To put it simply, Apache HBase is like a superpowered database that can handle big data's heavy lifting, ensuring that you can access your data quickly and efficiently, no matter how much data you're dealing with. So next time you use a big data application and marvel at its efficiency, remember, there's a good chance Apache HBase is working behind the scenes to make it all possible.